Welcome to the Crypto Corner video podcast, your crypto radar for the latest news, reviews, and tutorials that help you master the cryptocurrency market. In today's episode, we review yet another great crypto service that could be very helpful to those who are not too experienced in trading. I'm talking about copy trading. If you remember, this was a topic of a few previous episodes already of this video podcast, and I keep finding more services that offer this, like the featured project in today's episode, so keep watching. The service is provided by an exchange called Prime XBT, and there is a very inspiring story that was published in News BTC this week. I find this very interesting. A trader on Prime XBT recently had a successful run that netted him a total return of over 1,800%. This is impressive indeed, but even more interesting is that through the copy trading feature of Prime XBT, followers of this trader managed to profit from his successful run by turning a combined $400,000 into $8.5 million in a matter of just 4 days. So, for those who aren't clear what this means, copy trading is basically choosing a person who trades on the exchange and following their strategy, or in other words, copying what he does, whatever positions he opens and closes, and this is done on autopilot, not manually. You don't have to stay glued to the screen waiting for the person to open or close a position, which allows less experienced or completely new traders potentially to profit from the success of those who have already proven their trading skills. For the experienced traders, Prime XBT offers an attractive win-win solution, and it is very appealing due to the fact that 20% of all profits generated from the followers are paid as success fees to the strategy manager. This copy trading feature at Prime XBT is known as Covesting module. They launched it in partnership with an European-based licensed DOT service provider and business-to-business software developer, Covesting, and they now offer a few hundred trading strategies available to follow. The total performance of the top 10 strategies varies between 280% up to 5,300%, and this article from News BTC is a prime example of such success of a trader account going by the name Satoshi Bets, who created a strategy that was copied by 37 lucky followers who joined him from the start. As we can see, he has achieved insane results and made a total return of over 1,800% for himself and his followers, turning $400,000 into over $8 million. This is definitely a life-changing kind of money. In this case, Prime XBT's Covesting module allowed not only those followers of Satoshi Bets to profit from his incredible run, but the trader himself managed to pull $1.7 million just in the success fees that he was getting. So it's no wonder then the Covesting community is buzzing as a result of this. Check it out for yourself. The link to the Covesting Telegram channel, which you are seeing right now on your screen, is in the description, of course, along with any other links. There are plenty of gratitude comments by people who have never had successful trades before. It kind of makes me envy that I didn't know about this earlier to make such a good catch, but I will try it for sure. The success for the followers of Satoshi Bets and the trader himself is evidence of the potential rewards that come from copy trading and the use of a powerful platform or module. There is no need for financial or trading qualifications, as all the hard work and trading decisions are done by the people who have made it their full-time jobs to be professional traders. These types of modules have formed strong community trading environments, as the traders themselves are also rewarded for their good work. Following strategies on Covesting copy trading module of course involves a risk, so please make your own research before following. The good news is that there are plenty of tools that will allow you to choose a strategy to follow based on your risk appetite, and there are also plenty more success stories like Satoshi Bets and his followers being shared by the users in the Prime XBT Covesting module Telegram group. Most of the successful strategy managers are also active community members, and the Covesting community is very supportive and engaged. There is no question that cannot be answered in their chat. So if you are going to be testing this service or using this service, you should definitely join the Telegram group. Now, a few more details about Prime XBT because they offer much more than just the copy trading feature. This is a Bitcoin-based margin trading platform offering leverage trading with instruments from several different markets. They offer up to 1000x leverage, which allows you to maximize profit potential and profit from both rising and falling markets. In other words, longing and shorting assets through the SFD contracts, contract for difference. That means a contract for difference is a financial contract that pays the differences in the settlement price between the opening and closing trades. CFDs essentially allow investors to trade the direction of securities over the very short term and are especially popular in the forex and commodities markets. CFDs are cash settled but usually allow ample margin trading so that investors need only to put up a small amount of the contract's notional payoff. Contracts for differences is an advanced trading strategy that is used by experienced traders, and it's not allowed in the United States and a few other countries as well. And Prime XBT is also restricted to these regions. These include Canada, Japan as well, Ecuador, Iran, North Korea, Russia, and a few other regions which you will find on their website. There is a disclaimer that actually points out to that. Now, if you're not in any of these countries, then you can set up a trading account with a minimum deposit of 0.001 Bitcoin to try out the platform, which will allow you to trade with up to 0.1 Bitcoin. And their fees are some of the lowest in comparison to other exchanges. 0.05% for cryptocurrencies, 0.01% for indices and commodities, 0.001% for forex majors. One of the things that I really like about them is that they do not require any KYC procedures that are exposing personal information. You only sign up with your email and, if you want, phone number as well, which is optional. Bear in mind that since your email is the only form of ID, you cannot change it once you open the account. So at the point of signing up, you need to use your best email. You should be using the email that you are intending to use, not like a temporary testing email or anything like that. There's also a live chat support, which is very important because not all of the exchanges have such a quick response team. They are a Bitcoin-based platform, which means that this is their base currency. Your account balance is held in Bitcoin, and deposits require the standard 3-block confirmations, which is also good because it makes it faster than other exchanges where you have to wait for 6 or more confirmations. And there is a welcome bonus available to new customers. You can actually see this on your screen right now. It is valid for the first 24 hours. If you deposit and start trading with at least 0.017 Bitcoin, you can qualify for this offer, which gives you a bonus of $200 to use in your trades. Also, there is no minimum or maximum required withdrawal amount, and the withdrawal fee is 0.0005 BTC. They also have a 4-level affiliate program which allows you to invite friends, family, and others to try out the platform. Affiliate partners receive payouts of up to 50% of trading fees paid by their referrals. Currently, Prime XBT offers leveraged trading of cryptocurrencies with up to 100x leverage on 7 pairs, which you are seeing here on your screen. Also, they have indices and commodities with up to 100x leverage. They also have spot gold and silver trading with 500x leverage, which is yet another market that is rarely seen on exchanges that trade cryptocurrencies. And also they have loads of forex trading pairs with up to 1000x leverage. So you can see the trading pairs. I'm not going to go through all of this because it's really a lot, but this is for traders who actually want to trade manually and everything. If you're mostly interested in the Covesting and the copy trading feature, then you just go on their website and you will click here on Covesting, and then you will see the list of the different traders that have placed their strategies for following. And what you can do is just click follow, and that's it. You will allocate, of course, the amount that you want to allocate. These are the quick statistics that you are going through. And of course, what you want to find out is, first of all, you're looking for someone who is trading for a greater amount of days, perhaps 150 days or more, not someone who is just trading for the last week or something like that. Also, you want to see that there are a lot of followers, because a lot of followers means that people are liking the service. Of course, they talk to each other, they recommend the service to other their friends or followers or anything. So the ones with the most followers are typically the ones that I would be most interested in. Now, here you can see the latest result, whether it's a profit or loss. This is just from the last day, and here you see the total profit. So this guy is, of course, number one. He's got more than 6,000% profit. He's been followed by more than 2,000 people, and he's been active for almost 100 days. So today's profit is 18%. This guy here, 900%, 942% overall profit. Today at a loss of almost 10%. However, as you know, you can't only have profits. No matter how good of a trader you are, there is no way that you can only have winning trades. You have to have winning and losing trades. The winning scenario is to actually have more winning than losing trades. So do not be put off by the fact that someone is making a loss one day or a few days in a row. Overall, is the bigger picture is what you have to take into consideration. And 66 days, okay, not too long. That's a couple of months. Maybe you want to go for someone who is this guy, for instance, 111 days, less of a percentage gain in total, but it is 368%. Not too bad, I would say. Still not too bad. Or this guy here, 1,350%. He is in profit today, 108 active days. So this is good. I like the fact that it's longer than just a couple of months. And 498 followers, also not bad at all. So this is it. You just go through these statistics here and you choose, you like someone, you go and you follow them. But this is it pretty much. It is just a couple of clicks. You have to already have some Bitcoin deposited in your account in this exchange in order to start the following. The money doesn't go to that trader. The money stays in your account, and it's only being allocated for trades that are copied from that trader. So when that trader is placing any buy or long positions or short positions, then you are doing the same thing on automatic. That's pretty much how it works. It's very simple. This is also what I like about it, that it's all very simplified and easy to do. Now, some of the other features on Prime XBT include cross-margin, customizable layout, professional charting package, advanced order types, secure address whitelisting, and more. So these are the main features of the exchange, but of course, the one that I'm most interested in is the Covesting module, because as you know, copy trading is on top of my list for passive income from crypto. I try to automate as much as I can to free more of my time instead of spending long hours in front of the screen. My time is limited and I have to automate as much as I can if I want to be able to run my other businesses, to keep producing great content for you guys. And you saw my previous video where I was talking about earning passively from crypto. Copy trading was on top of my list, was number 2, I think, on my list, and trading bots was also up there. So these are two great ways to automate things and make it passive, because even though I still trade manually and I will keep trading manually, there's certain coins and trading pairs that are not offered by the bots or the traders that I want to copy. So I would still be trading manually, but charting and making the technical analysis and everything takes quite a lot of time. And if I want to be successful with it and have the time to do that, I need to automate at least the rest of the workflow. This is the main reason why I keep talking about copy trading and I keep bringing you this kind of different services that are operating in this niche. So Covesting is one of these great tools for automation for both experienced traders and for the newbies. It involves significant risk, however, so do your own research and join the Covesting community on the Telegram channel, as they are very friendly and supportive. Choose among the best performing traders and automatically copy their trading activity. You can earn second income by allowing others to follow your trades. What can be better than that? You can always use my promo code as well to get 50% welcome bonus on Prime XBT, but please trade responsibly. And this wraps up today's episode. I hope you liked this review and it brought you value, and if it did, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment below and share it with someone else who would also benefit from watching it. All the necessary links are in the description box, so make sure that you check them out. Not only the links for Prime XBT and the Covesting and the Telegram channel, but also some other helpful links like the top hardware wallets that I'm using. And I always recommend that for long-term holdings of crypto, you should be using a hardware wallet. I can't stress enough on how important this is to keep safe and not keep all of your money on hot wallets or exchanges, because you really have to be the true owner of your money. This is why we are in crypto, because we want to be in complete ownership and not rely on third-party services. It's good to leave the capital that you're currently trading with on exchanges, but if you're going to be holding a coin for 3, 4, 5, 6 months or more, there is no reason for it to stay on an exchange. That's why you have to get one of these hardware wallets. And with Bitcoin and all of the other cryptocurrency prices are shooting up so much right now, it really becomes quite cheap to get a hardware wallet. And I've reviewed a few of the top ones, the ones that I'm personally using. You will find the links in the description box, so make sure that you check them out. Well, this is everything from me for today's episode. Thanks for staying until the end. Tomorrow I'm coming to you with yet another great episode, so watch out for this one. If you haven't done that yet, please hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm posting a new episode. Thanks for watching. Bye now.